What's up, guys? Hey, out on a nice, spring day, and today I'm really excited. I'm gonna show you how not to survive in the quarantine. Really excited to show you all the methods that I use, so stay tuned. Super excited about today because I'm going to show you how not to survive in the quarantine today, but actually how to thrive. Step one of thriving during this time would be, first and foremost, stop feeling depressed that you're at home. Stop being depressed about not working. You don't have to be locked up in your house unless you're sick or at risk, of course. Now, again, I'm not an expert, but think about these things, right? You don't have to be depressed. And, you have a lot of decisions in what's going on. So the first thing you need to do is sit down and write all the things down that you've been meaning to do, but one thing that stopped you is time. So that's number one. Write all those things down and take some time to think about it, because it's not about the list, it's about you thinking about it and realizing your opportunities. So another thing I like to think about is, I understand, I think a lot of us were already experiencing hard situations before all this, and this just kind of started everything. And so it makes it really easy to reminisce on how difficult things are going on right now. And I've had these places in my life, guys. I've definitely had to, eat my rice and beans and sleep on the floor and not know where my next meal is coming from and all that. But what I'll tell you is those times gave me time to think about my priorities and when times are good, what do I want to accomplish in my life and where do I want to be. So one big priority for me is to always live near nature, be able to get outside. And I know for me that that's a must, and it's paid dividends in times like this when you really shouldn't be going outside your counties, and you can stay close to home and you're able to still go out and get a hike. Number two, one of the biggest things after you've completed your list of what you want to accomplish is practice your gratitudes. Your gratitudes is going to change your mindset. It's going to get you moving forward in a positive way mentally. And it's going to also make you think about how you can be resourceful accomplishing those goals, because you're thankful and excited for what you have, rather than looking at the negative side and what you don't have. Like I would say, and I would think that, I'm not in a super difficult situation, but I'm not where I want to be. This has been an amazing time to realize how important that journey and that destination is for me to get there and to realign my life and establish my priorities, so that way I can. And it's not perfect, it's trial and error, but I'm super excited about this YouTube. I also actually just started a podcast. Just search Jordan Cav, and I put up my first introductory podcast by the time I post this, probably yesterday. But you know, things I've aligned myself to is, like I said, is to be out here in nature. You know, that's not going away. You know, I'm not going to be limited on that. It's my right, my freedom. I do believe in being responsible, but yeah, have fun. You know, this is a good time, guys. Like, I got books to read, videos to make, workouts to get in, you know, and I got some video gaming to do and some couch time and sleeping in for sure, but also moving forward in life. Last but not least, number 3, most importantly, now that you have a newfound spirit and mentality around what you're doing, the biggest part is execute what you put down on the list and feel accomplished. Because once you accomplish one thing, a win will motivate you for another win. So find the wins by setting out for a goal and accomplishing a goal and feeling positive about what you're doing. So I think to myself, like, how could my podcast, how can my YouTube benefit you? One, I hope it gives you something to do in these crazy times, just, you know, watching my YouTubes and listening to my podcasts. In any shape or form, I hope it entertains you, whether it makes you laugh, makes you want to poke jokes at me, leave comments below. But also, I hope to inspire you. Maybe it's not making YouTube, maybe it's not podcasts, but I hope to inspire you in chasing your dreams. And your dreams are more than just what you're getting paid for sometimes, but chase those dreams, and eventually, hopefully, it becomes your job. And I want to wish you guys best of luck. Enjoy the rest of my video, and again, please subscribe, because then that way you'll know if I'm making a new video. Set it up to have notifications to you. Leave comments below. Give me feedback, share with your friends so I can grow this channel. Thank you.